Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under, another unboxing video and a parcel from America and one from Australia. So let's do the American one first. I've sort of got an idea what could be in this one, but I'm not 100% certain. Ah, I was correct. So it is vintage razor blades. And some of you might have guessed, but they're the famous Personna 74. At one stage 49 cents. I wish I was able to buy these for 49 cents. Okay, sorry for that interruption, but business is business. So I haven't tried these yet. I've got a couple of packets sitting at home, but now I will open one up. They've got a big reputation, these blades, and it'll be interesting to see if they live up. Very interesting to see. So I'm really happy to get hold of these. As you know, I love my vintage blades. Let's just put them up there. Okay, let's. Now I do know what this is, but it's something different for me. I've just been lurking around eBay for ages and Etsy, just watching these. It is a razor, but it's a bit different to what I usually get. I usually collect. Oh, let's try it down here. There we go. Scissor time. So, still covered up. Lift. Why does that feel tight? Oh, I'm really reluctant to lift it further. Maybe it's got something to do with that in there. So there's the razor. So it's an injector. Is there some sort of locking mechanism? Oh no, I see. That's it. There's the metal springs in there. I was just expecting just a, a plastic hinge, so to open up easy. Well, I absolutely really know not much about these razors. As I said, I've never used one before. Obviously, I don't have any blades. I have bought some blades. They're still to come. Right. So, 8. See if we can polish that up a bit. That's a bit better. Okay. So keep watching, because I'll have a shave with this at some stage. Try it out. Let's just have a look at a bit of paperwork here. Yeah, should be interesting. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, and keep watching the channel. If you haven't subscribed, and you'd like to, just hit the subscribe button, and also just click on the bell symbol as well, so you get notifications for all my videos. Okay, thanks for sticking around. Ciao for now.